Yo, what's up, YouTube? It's your boy Shy Guy Fan, man. Today, I'm gonna do something a little bit different, something I never brung to my channel really. I'm sitting in my Ram 1500 2014, and right when I bought this truck, I wanted the biggest tires that I could get for it. So I did my research. A lot of people were saying that you can't fit 35s on a stock Ram 1500 without a leveling kit or a lift kit. So basically, after I did my research, basically you can fit 35s on a stock Ram 1500. It depends on what year you got, but it mostly can fit on all the years, all the newer years. I'm not sure about the older years. But if you're not in a Dodge Ram, you're in just a Ram, you should be able to fit 35s on a stock one, man. So basically, I'm gonna get out. I'm gonna show you guys my fitment. See how I'm gonna just let you guys see if it rubs or not. So I'm gonna crank the wheel all the way to the left. Let me do that real quick. All right, it's all the way to the left. Let me hop out and show you guys. Ooh, it's a hot day in Minnesota, champ. Oh shit. And here we go. As you guys can see, oh, wrong side. I don't know if you guys can see it or not, but I got about an inch or two, so it's not rubbing when I turn it all the way to the left. And just to show you guys it's a 35, once I crank it all the way back the other way, I'll show you guys it's a 35-inch wheel, because there will be a whole bunch of trolls in the comment section saying, oh, it's not a 35-inch tire, you're lying. Well, I'm lying, okay. Alright. And I don't know if there you guys can see about another inch or two, or like 3 inches when I crank it all the way to the right. And just to show you guys it's 35, it's right there. It's a 35 12.50. So yeah, guys, I'll show you guys the back ones. I got the little King logo on my wheels for my cap. So yeah, guys, that's all the people that were saying that you can't fit 35s on a stock Ram 1500. That just proves all the haters wrong. Shout out to Ram Nation. Anybody who got a Ram, this is mine. Fucking beautiful. Yeah, man. If you guys like this video, make sure you guys leave a like, tell all your friends, share this video. Let's try to get 100 likes on this video. Make sure you guys smack that subscribe button. Ram 1500. Let's get it.